Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to build a business, launch a blog, or just explore some exciting new trends? Then grab your notebooks because today we're diving into the top 10 hottest niches for 2024. We've analyzed market trends, consumer behavior, and emerging technologies to bring you the niches with the most potential for growth, engagement, and profitability. So, 1. Sustainable solutions **** eco-consciousness is on the rise. Consumers are hungry for eco-friendly products and services. Think upcycled fashion, plant-based alternatives, plastic-free packaging, or energy-efficient home solutions. Green wave is unstoppable. 2. Mental wellness oasis **** self-care isn't a fad, it's a necessity. There's a growing demand for mental health services, mindfulness tools, meditation guides, and content that promotes inner peace. Help people navigate the emotional roller coaster of life. 3. Personalized pet paradise *** are furry, feathered. Friends deserve the best. Pet owners are willing to splurge. Cater to their needs with custom pet treats, personalized accessories, high-tech training gadgets, or even luxury pet sitting services. Spoil those possum pals. 4. Gaming gear galore ***. The gaming industry is exploding. Gamers crave top-notch equipment. Become their hero by offering ergonomic chairs, immersive headsets, custom controllers, performance-boosting tech solutions. Level up their gaming experience. 5. AI-powered productivity ***. Automation is king. Businesses are eager to streamline their operations. Offer AI-powered tools for scheduling, data analysis, content creation, and customer service. Help them work smarter, not harder. Bonus tips ***. Consider sub-niches within these broader categories for even more focus. *** Use keywords and trending topics to optimize your content for search engines. *** Build a strong community around your niche to foster engagement and loyalty. **